Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to upload business certificate on Made in China. So first we're going to go to our browser, then search for Made in China. Then click on the first link. Then again click on the account section on the top right corner. You guys should open an account for this. Then click on my account right under your name. Here you're going to click on money certificate. Then click on upload your business license. So here you're going to write your license number and upload a photo of it. So once you upload the photo of it, you're going to click on confirm. So this is how you add your business certificate. But if you guys also want to add other certificates, you could click on upload other certificate, and it could be either your company document or personal identification, either of the two. So write those needed and click on confirm. So this is how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. Goodbye.